everyone, Natalie Safley here. I'm the new drama teacher at Triton Regional High School with some exciting news. We have just learned that we have been awarded the Love is an Open Door grant. High schools across the country applied to a contest that was run by Disney, Music Theater International, and the Educational Theater Association. These groups selected one high school from each state to produce the first production of Frozen available to the general public. And we have been selected to represent the state of Massachusetts. So in the fall of 2023, we will produce Frozen the musical. Now, don't get me wrong, we have a lot of work to do between now and then, starting with this year's musical, The Addams Family, which you can see on December 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. But we are excited what this opportunity to produce Frozen will provide the Triton community. We are 3 towns, but we are one Triton, and we hope that it will bring all the schools across the district together for exciting events related to this production. There's lots to come. Please be sure to stay tuned. We hope to see you soon.